So I went to an event with Matalan yesterday and I was kindly invited to London. It was just really nice to be able to do something other than the school run in the morning, and it was a tie-dye event which was brilliant. I enjoyed myself very much. I got to meet some lovely bloggers and Instagrammers, and we had breakfast and we just chatted, and then we were kindly gifted some clothes as well. So this is one of the things that I selected, and I am really loving this dress. It's not something I would actually usually pick for myself, but it goes to show sometimes, you know, you have to go for something you wouldn't normally go for. But yes, I'm looking forward to trying out all the other pieces, and I hope they fit anyway, because I find that sometimes, you know, sizes can vary from shop to shop, but generally speaking, the sizes that I found at Matalan do seem to fit well with myself, and I am petite. So anyway, I thought I would just share some of the highlights of the day, and I hope you like it. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are, or if it's a night, good night. And we have a bank holiday weekend coming up here in the UK, so I think people are going to be generally quite happy about that and can't wait to leave work today. I've got the day off, but it's not technically a day off because I am going to be editing this vlog and then trying to do some other bits and pieces. So if you are new to my channel and you'd like to see more, please do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss a thing. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.